In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the Google Tag Manager code to your HubSpot account. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have successfully integrated Google Tag Manager with HubSpot, allowing you to better manage and deploy marketing tags without the hassle of directly editing code on your site. So, let's dive right in. The first thing you need to do is open HubSpot and make sure you're logged into your account. This step is crucial because it ensures you have access to all the necessary tools and features associated with your HubSpot account. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate over to the trial guide. Now, the trial guide is particularly useful because it contains all the resources you need to kick off your form building process. Familiarizing yourself with these resources can save you time and effort in the long run. Next, head over to your home page. Here, you'll want to locate the Settings button, which is usually represented by a gear icon at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on it will take you to a new menu. Under the Tools option, select Content. This will help you manage the various aspects of your website's content in HubSpot. Once you're in the Content section, look towards the sidebar and click on Pages. This is where you'll handle the primary aspects of your site's content structure. From here, you'll find an option called Integrations. Click on it and you'll be directed to a new page which provides various integration options that HubSpot supports. Now comes the part where we integrate Google Tag Manager with HubSpot. You'll find an option that says Integrate with Google Tag Manager. Clicking this will prompt you to enter your Google Tag Manager ID. If you're unsure of what your Google Tag Manager ID is, you can easily find it by logging into your Google Tag Manager account. It should be prominently displayed in the top corner of your dashboard. Once you've entered your Google Tag Manager ID, simply follow the on-screen prompts to complete the integration process. The instructions provided on the screen are usually very straightforward. Ensure you read through them carefully and click through as necessary to finalize the process. And there you have it. You've successfully added the Google Tag Manager code to HubSpot. Integrating these two powerful tools will streamline your marketing efforts and make tracking, managing, and deploying marketing tags a breeze. Feel free to explore further and make the most of your newly integrated setup. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial, and I hope you found it helpful. If you have any more questions, don't hesitate to reach out in the comments below. See you in the next video.